Hi YouTubers, today I'm working on Velodyne HGS10BG. Actually it came in with the popping noise, and sometimes there's no noise and sometimes it's just crackling noise. So what I did, I opened it up and find out inside the unit. I find out like 5 capacitor inside this cage here, so you have to take this whole thing out and replace 5 capacitors right here. See, there is 33 microfarad and 35 volts. There are 5 of them inside here, so we have to replace those. And there are few here, like three capacitors around here. They are 10 mic and 50 volt. So after I replace all this is like 8 capacitors, the unit is working fine, so.
And those 20 pieces are now safe in an undisclosed warehouse. Parsons says that the history won't be locked up in a museum.
They don't belong to us. They really belong to the community, and it's the community that should come together to decide
The unit is working
how
fine.
This sort of what.
Alright, thanks for watching.